To get you excited about what's to come later in the course, I wanted to jump right in and give you something you can immediately try out. How much should you charge for a freelance project? A web design, app design, print design, graphic design, so on and so forth. I came across a pretty cool online tool that's free that boils it down to 5 simple questions. 1. What's the project? So an app design, web design, brand design, print design. 2. Who's the client? Are they an individual? Are they a small or medium-sized business? Or are they a large corporation? 3. How much does it cost you? So your hourly rate multiplied by the time commitment. 4. Is the project interesting? Is it something that's going to be incredibly boring to be a part of? Or is it a dream project? And 5. What about after the project, when everything's done? Will nothing have changed? Or will it have launched your business to new heights? All of these things combined give you an estimate of how much you should be charging based on the value that you're providing your client. So I wanted to try this out myself, and I actually recently started a new project for a new client. And I quoted them. Based on my experience, I kind of have a good idea of what I should be charging, but I thought in hindsight, I want to try this calculator out and see how much I technically should have charged. So the project, web design, the client, small, medium-sized business, my hourly rate, and the time commitment, so $75 an hour and about 150 hours. Throughout the project, it will be really fun. It's actually a really great project. And upon completion, maybe it won't be life-changing, but it will look really good in my portfolio. So all in total, the calculator said that I should charge $16,200. Not bad considering I quoted the client at $13,000. So I invite you to go ahead and try the free tool out yourself. Just go to bradhussey.ca/price calculator and then calculate how much you could be charging for an upcoming freelance project, whether you have one in the queue or not. If you stick around with me long enough and complete the course, who knows, you could be making that kind of money sooner than you think.